Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Biscuit. So how is everybody doing? How has things been going with everybody? So today's video is going to be me just basically doing a regular set of nails with the square tip. In this video, I'm actually doing my sister's nails. So hey brownie girl. So she decided to come get her nails done. Now she hasn't worn nails in, I don't know how long, maybe 6 years. I could be not even close. It could be like 10 years. I think she hasn't worn nails since my oldest nephew was born. But anyways, in this video, she was like, well, let me come get my nails done by you since, you know, you're practicing and whatnot. So she came to get her nails done and she definitely liked them. So as you can see right now, I've already applied the tips. I've gotten rid of some of her dead skin around her cuticle, sorry. And now I applied the primer and the nail dehydrator, and now I'm going to go ahead and lay her acrylic. So the acrylic that I'm using is by Young Nails. It's in a white bottle with pink lettering or pink colors. It have Young Nails on the bottle. So that is, I'm using their nail powder and their liquid monomer. So that is the brand of acrylic powder and monomer that I am using. Now I know you guys can't see it off to the right, but I normally keep my acrylic in a glass jar, and I also keep my powder in a glass jar, and I just refill it as I need it. I would say the jars are probably maybe 6 ounces worth. I do have them on my nail haul video when I went to Target. I actually got those from Target, and they hold pretty well, and they have the lids that come off, and it masks the smell very well when you're not using the monomer. Like I said, I only have it maybe a quarter full with the liquid in there. So yeah, but I will stop ranting and stop talking. Like, how you guys doing out there? Like, I know everybody's in a hard time with this pandemic going around. Hopefully everybody is staying in the house and being safe. Make sure that you're washing your hands. Can't stress that enough. We all need to come together as a country and get over this pandemic and make sure that we're staying safe. Try not to spread it even more than what it is. And we just want to get back to our normal lives and be able to go outside. And, you know, not saying that you can't go outside, but, you know, to be able to go outside and not have to worry about, you know, catching anything. But, you know, it is what it is. But hopefully you guys are remaining safe. I'm praying for all of you guys. I'll quit ranting and I'll let you guys watch the video. I'll probably come back in a few once I'm finished laying the acrylic down.
Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Okay guys, so as you see, I went ahead and I did the other hand off camera. So now I'm going to shape her nails into the square shape that she likes, and I'm just adjusting the camera. So it's like I'm out of frame, so sometimes I'm going out of frame. I did order myself a new tripod, so I can't wait for that to get in. So the next few videos that you see will be my old tripod that's connected to my desk. So that should be coming in shortly. But right now I'm just shaping the nails with a regular nail file. You can definitely shape your nails with a nail drill. I just feel like I get more of a precise shape when you do it with a nail file. And I'm also using my nail dust collector down at the bottom, so that way I can collect this nail dust that's coming off of the acrylic nails. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm going to end up taking my nail drill, so that way I can file around the cuticle. Okay, so I went ahead and I realized that I didn't have the clip where I used my nail drill to go around the cuticle. So I went ahead and did that, and as you see right now, I'm just dusting off her nails. I went ahead and I took the nail drill, I went around her cuticles, and now I'm just buffing the nails so I can get rid of any scratches that may have went onto the nails or the acrylic with me doing my nail drill. So we're just gonna buff those oh so lightly, and then we're gonna be ready to start painting her nails. So if you guys haven't seen her nail design, there is another video which will be like a part 2 of me doing her nail design. She wants something simple and cute, so I will link that video down below. Make sure that you subscribe, make sure you follow me on Instagram. My handle is at IamBiscuit7, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.